In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an MT5 live account in Vantage. This guide will walk you through each step clearly and confidently, ensuring you're set up and ready to trade in no time. Let's dive into this process together. To start, you'll need to visit the official Vantage Markets website. Once you're there, navigate to the top right corner of the page where you'll see the register button. Click on it to begin setting up your account. During registration, you'll be prompted to fill out a few essential details. Make sure to accurately enter your name, email, and phone number, and create a robust password. Keeping your information secure is crucial, so make your password strong yet memorable. If you happen to already have a Vantage account, simply log in using your registered email and password instead. This step helps you bypass the registration process and access your account details directly. Once your MT5 Live account is set up, you won't need to wait too long. You'll receive an email containing your MT5 login ID, a password, and the server name. It's important to save this information in a safe place, as you'll need it for future logins and trades. Now that you're in your account, look towards the top right and locate the three-dot menu. Click on it and then select Downloads from the drop-down menu. This will lead you to the section where you can download the MetaTrader 5 platform, follow the on-screen instructions to download MT5 onto your PC, and then proceed to install the application. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and open the application. To log into your new trade account, click on File in the menu bar, and then select Login to Trade Account. A login window will appear, and this is where you'll use the details sent to your email earlier. Start by entering your unique login ID, followed by your password. Make sure these details are entered accurately to ensure a successful login. Finally, select the server as provided by Vantage. After you've entered all these details, hit the login button. Congratulations, you are now ready to start trading live on MT5 through Vantage. Your trading journey is just beginning, and understanding these foundational steps will set you up for success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth trading tutorials. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.